to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to copy and paste in remote access. If you would like to review how to remote access into a system, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. If you have already remote accessed into your virtual machine, find the text you would like copied, click Ctrl-Alt together, and then press Shift, and that will open your on-screen clipboard. The selected text, right-click, select Copy, and it will appear in your clipboard. You'll then be able to copy and paste that in your home machine. And let's say you want to copy and paste something into your virtual machine. Copy it and paste it into the clipboard. Close the clipboard. Right-click, select Paste, and there you are. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.